Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR. There's Daryl. I've been real slow on videos lately because I've been real busy with shop work. So you can see there's been some changes around the shop and some of them are still in process. My father-in-law came and built a bathroom over the past couple weeks. So I have that going for me. I don't have to piss down the drain like an animal. And I can poop up here. So that's cool. I don't have to go back home every time I gotta poop. Let me see. What do we got out here? Big pile of garbage. Big pile of garbage. Lean-to, not gonna happen. Not this year. Because the bathroom happened. And beggars can't be choosers. I moved. He also put some more outlets in for me. So you can see one there. One there. I spun the plasma table around for now. I'm not sure where I'm going to keep it. I was just using it today for a little small contract. Daryl, obviously not in here anymore. I picked this up from a auction, like an industrial auction where I get a lot of my stuff. This is an Econoline 42 by 36. The neat thing, I'm not going to do it, but the whole thing tips up. See, I got that for like 600 bucks. It came with a dust collector. It's huge. Not as cheap as I wanted, but whatever. The oven, there's some things about it that I didn't really like. I'm gonna reconfigure that. I've not used it a ton as it is. I brought my little oven up here. I use that a ton actually. I'm probably gonna configure this so I can do 4x4x4 or 4x4x8 as I need to. Or maybe a shelf that I can just move up. What else? What else we got going on? Virgil, nothing. Sitting there, no motor, no trans. I had 5 yards of crushed concrete delivered the other day. So now I can drive Daryl in and out, or anything in and out of the shop. I don't have that giant lift that I used to have. I gotta get that pile of wood into the lean-to area and get the Ram, the Dodge over there for the winter. I'm waiting on a couple little parts for the turbo for Marv so that can go back together and the cab can sit down. The problem is, I mean, I guess it's not really a problem, I just don't want to deal with it. If I were to set the cab down on the mounts right now, I wouldn't be able to get to these up pipes and stuff. So I'd rather do that now. These are powder coated. That's ceramic coated. That's Gunmetal Customs kind of stuff. So that's what's going on with that. What else do we got? Daryl has the Terminator X in it. That's okay-ish. There's some stuff, some videos I gotta do, some stuff you guys should know, wanna know. The groups for Terminator X are horrible. Like, people are like, why won't my truck idle? And there's 5 people like, send it out for tuning. You don't have to do that. No, it's not really self-tuning. There is a learn function. I don't know. I'll go into that. I don't want to do that right now. E4OD for Marv has to come in the shop. I gotta get some more. Tony's not done with that area, but I want to build a loft across the top to have more storage and get some more shelves, get some of this stuff up off the ground. Dumpster fire sitting right there. I don't have enough coil packs to put it together is the holdup on that. So I have 4 here. I have 5. I don't think it'll fire on 5. So it might. Definitely fire on 6. But I gotta find the time, make the time to find some coil packs for that thing so we can fire that up. I'm not really that motivated to do that. I've done that before, but I know some of you haven't seen it, or some of you never get tired of seeing it. So there's that. These are the lights for the blast cabinet. I want to switch them to LEDs. There's a lot going on, but it's hard to put it in a cohesive video because, you know, I work on stuff when I can. Like I just wrapped up a little small contract for Gunmetal Customs. I sandblasted a grate for my father-in-law. Like it's just, you know, a lot of little tedious stuff. So I would like to know what you guys got going on for the winter. It's coming. You see the tree